Hello, Bryan Dyer from Trident Cryo. Today I want to talk about evolution, 3-minute sessions. Electric cryotherapy is setting a new standard. You do not have to stick to the 3-minute guideline anymore. If we are going to continue to evolve, we have to continue to explore the therapy. We all need different levels of treatment. We all run different amounts, we all lift different amounts, so we might need different amounts of exposure to the cold to achieve the same goal. 3 minutes was a safe exposure to nitrogen gas. For example, if I got into a sauna, the moment that I achieved sweating, would I jump out? Then why, if we think vasoconstriction happens at 3 minutes, why would I jump out right when it happens? Do we know if going past the 3-minute mark of vasoconstriction is better for you? We don't know. Here at Chilling Out, we allow people to stay in between 3 and 6 minutes at their comfort. The first thing people ask me is it safe? Of course it's safe. I've been doing this with my studios for 5 years. I've recommended it to all 30 of my customers that have bought various machines from me. We've had 0 reported incidences. Ultimately, I believe that we need to continue to evolve. Number 1, play with the length of session. 3 to 6 minutes. Get in your electric machine, which is super safe, and play with the time and the exposures. All I want is our industry to continue to evolve and lead us into better wellness. As usual, I'm Ask Anything, Anytime. I provide my personal cell phone number. I don't need any money from you. If you want to call and get information on anything involving the cryotherapy industry, it's all free. I love talking about this stuff.